The COVID-19 pandemic affected each and every one of us in different ways. Same is the story of the Bankar Samaj of Belgaum. The life of the Samaj depends on the saris they produce, widely known as the Belgaum saris. The lockdown was announced and each and every life stopped. And so did the businesses. More than 1 lakh saris produced by this Samaj were not going to be sold. On one side, the family had to manage the household, while on the other, he had to find a way to sell the saris. Months of lockdown had resulted in no income, and thus the problem seemed to be increasing. The question was, what now? In the Shahpur Vadgaon and the Khasbag region of Belgaum reside the family of hundreds of bunkers. Their prime business is producing the world famous Belgaum sari. Belgaum is known to the world because of these saris. The livelihood of all these families depend on the saris. From March to June, every year, lakhs of saris are sold and there are various festivals and melas. But these months went in the COVID-19 lockdown. Even after lockdown, no Vyapari was ready to buy the saris as there was no customer in the market. It seemed that the problems of the bunkers were nowhere to go. At that time, a ray of hope came in the life of the Bankar Samaj in the form of Seva Bharati, an RSS-inspired organization. Shri Nikhil Ranade of Belgaum helped Seva Bharati to build a website named Seva Card within few days. The volunteers of Seva Bharati closely studied more than 600 Bankar family households, segregated them based on the saris these households have produced. First, 550 to 500 saris. Second, 500 to 1000 saris. Third, more than 1000 saris. So after the study and closely examining how these people sold their saris, they decided to buy saris worth 15 lakh from 370 Bankar families and took it online via the Seva Card. The website was launched on 25th June 2020 by the Karnataka film star Jagagesh and his wife Parimala, and the sale started. While on the other hand, for more than 150 bunkers at different important venues of Belgaum like Dharmanath Bhavan, Ramdevi Devasthan, City Hall and JNMC Hall, an exhibition of Belgaum saris was arranged by Seva Bharati following all the precautions of the COVID-19. Citizens of the Belgaum gave huge response. All the saris got sold and businesses of 16 lakh in Dharmanath Bhavan, 4.5 lakh in Ramadevi Hall, 4 lakh in City Hall and 3 lakh in JNMC and Galaxy Hall took place. Seeing the success, the Nipani Udyog Samuha bought saris worth Rs 5 lakh directly from the bunkers. Now the saris were not only being sold in Belgaum but also in the entire North Karnataka region. The problems of the Bankar Samaj were long gone. The work done by the Seva Bharati is unparalleled and worthy of praise. Seva Bharati has shown the Bankar Samaj a new direction and made the Samaj stronger than ever. Now the Bankars will be able to sell the saris directly to the buyers without the middleman. Seva Bharati made this Samaj truly Atmanirbhar, and this is a classic example of the Atmanirbhar Bharat. Now after the success of saris, Seva Bharati is going to sell all the handmade goods produced by the artisans of North Karnataka on the Seva Card website. We wish the Swayam Sevaks of the Seva Bharati that their contribution in making the Bharat truly Atmanirbhar becomes successful. Jai Hind.